Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own arbitrage bot that takes advantage of the price difference between PancakeSwap, ApeSwap, and BakerSwap. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have your MetaMask extension installed and make sure it's configured for the BNB Smart Chain. I will leave links down in the description on exactly how to do that if you don't already have it configured for that. The next step you're going to want to do is go to remix.ethereum.org. First thing when you come here, I want you to sign up to be one of their test things to see what you're doing. I always decline. You can accept if you want to. And it tries to give you a tutorial. After you're done with that, you're going to come over here to this little guy here. It says create a new file. You're going to name this, create a new file, name this file arbitrage dot SOL. It has to end dot SOL. And then I'm going to leave a link to the code in the description. It'll be to this GitHub. Copy the code. I have to do a Control V to actually paste into this. You might be able to do a mouse click. On my computer it does not let me do a mouse click for a paste for some reason. Then after you have this in here, you're going to come over here to this and you can see the compiler. Now we're running, in the code we're running 0.5.16, so we need to change the compiler to that version. And then we're going to hit compile. And if you get a green check mark, that means everything has gone right. After that, you can go down to the next one here and go over to environment and change that to inject web3. And if you've never connected here before, it'll pop up and say, do you want to connect to Remix? I've connected here before, so it lets me do it. Make sure that address is the same that you're interacting with, and it is. And you're going to want to make sure you have at least 0.43 BNB inside your MetaMask. After you're done with that, contracts, you want to make sure it's clicked on the arbitrage bot, which it already did, but just make sure it is. And go to deploy. And then go to confirm. And that is deployed. Confirm it really is deployed. And it is deployed. Okay. And then after that actually deploys, you'll see deployed contracts down here. And this is your contract you've just deployed. And there's a little copy button, so go to copy. Now we're going to fund the contract with gas. So I'm going to go 0.4. That should be enough gas to run it for a while. Go to confirm. And you want to, as soon as that goes through, and only when that goes through, you want to make sure it goes through first, you're going to hit action. Now this starts the contract in the bot. And we're going to go confirm. And that has been confirmed. And take note of how much BNB you have left in there. And we're going to check back in 24 hours. See how the bot's doing. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, it's been a good 24 hours, a little bit past. I've spilt coffee all over myself this morning. It's going good. Let's see how much money we made this morning. Wow, not too bad. That's not shabby. You can expect in between, maybe, I want to say I've made between 0.75 a day all the way up to sometimes 5 whole BNB, which is a rarity, but that's about average. That's not bad there. Not bad at all. And you can also launch multiple ones of these at different times, because depending on what time it launches on the blockchain, it has a different time from getting that arbitrage that the other one doesn't. So, I mean, you can just, I usually run about 5 at a time, but it's up to you. And I hope this video has educated you on how to make smart contracts, how to launch bots on the blockchain, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.